In this video, we will show how to calculate the dot product of two vectors. We want to calculate the dot product of two two-dimensional vectors, u with components 2 and -3, and v with components 5 and 2. Let us recall the theory. The dot product between two n-dimensional vectors, u with components u1, u2, all the way to un, and the vector v with components v1, v2, all the way to vn, is a scalar given by the sum of the products of the components of the vectors u1 times v1 plus u2 times v2 plus all the way to un times vn. We can apply this formula to our example. First, we write the vectors in their components, and then we use the definition of the dot product to write it as 2 times 5 plus -3 times 2. Working out the multiplications, we obtain 10 minus 6. And therefore, the dot product of u and v is equal to 4. Let us consider another example, this time in 3 dimensions. We want to calculate the dot product between the vector u with components 4, -2, and 1, and the vector v with components 1, 2, and -8. As before, we first write the vectors in their components and use the definition of the dot product to write it as 4 times 1 plus -1 times 2 plus 1 times -8, which is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 8, resulting in a dot product of 0. As we will see later in this chapter, the dot product being 0 means that the two vectors are perpendicular to one another. This concludes the examples. Thanks for watching.